In the American justice system, we depend on the courts to hold people accountable. But who's holding the judges accountable? Thank you for joining us. I'm Dan Haggerty.
And I'm Deborah Morgan. According to an explosive new report by the nonprofit left-leaning ProPublica, some North Carolina judges appear to be giving others a pass on political grounds. WRAL's Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie is live now at the state Supreme Court. Laura.
Dan and Deborah, dramatic audio of a courtroom shooting, a judge shouting, a man shot dead. We first brought you this story back in 2021. And now we're learning that the judge's own peers said that she should be disciplined in this case, but she wasn't. And some say it's further evidence of partisan politics at the state's highest court. In 2021, criminal defendant Christopher Vaughn was shot to death in a Person County courtroom after trying to attack Judge Caroline Burnett. The attack followed an argument between the two.
The state of North Carolina gave you an attorney.
She withdrew. I didn't.
Shut up!
You shut up.
Vaughn rushed at the judge. The bailiff intervened. They struggled, and Vaughn took the bailiff's gun.
He's got my gun! He's got my gun! He's got my gun!
That's when a deputy shot Vaughn in the head. Burnett told WRAL at the time it was justified.
There's no doubt in my mind he would have killed every single one of us.
According to a new report by ProPublica, the case was investigated by the state's Judicial Standards Commission. Burnett admitted she had violated judicial standards. The commission called for her to be publicly reprimanded by the Supreme Court for escalating the argument. The Supreme Court virtually always follows those recommendations, but not this time. According to ProPublica, it also declined to discipline another judge in Davidson County who threw a woman in jail for 4 days for no reason.
Unfortunately, like so many things, it's become infected by partisan politics.
Attorney Press Millen has represented mostly Democratic judges in other investigations. He said the two judges are Republicans, and so is the majority on the state Supreme Court.
I've been concerned for some time that the judges from one political party are treated more harshly and held to a higher standard than those from the other party. And I think this reporting bears that out.
Neither Burnett nor Supreme Court Chief Justice Paul Newby had a comment. Now, shortly after declining to punish those two Republican judges, the court did issue a recommended reprimand to a third judge, and that judge is a Democrat. Laura Leslie, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.
You can see our full WRAL Investigates piece on the incident involving the death of a Person County courtroom on WRAL.com. Just search Person County shooting.